You like her but she doesn't like you.
Gusto mo siya pero di ka niya gusto.
No buts, just do it.
Wala nang pero, gawin mo na.
I want to go, but I don't want to be alone.
Gusto kong pumunta kaya lang ayaw kong mapag-isa.
It's not that I don't want to but I just can't.
Di sa ayaw ko kaya lang di talaga pwede.
You know nothing but you spoke.
Wala kang alam pero nagsalita ka.
It's beautiful but I don't like it.
Maganda naman kaya lang di ko gusto.
We're together but we don't talk to each other.
Magkasama kami pero di kami nag-uusap.
I told her but not everything.
Sinabi ko sa kanya pero di naman lahat.
He's smart but nobody likes him.
Matalino siya kaya lang walang may gusto sa kanya.
That was tiring but we had fun.
Nakakapagod pero ang saya namin.
I don't know but I guess it's hers.
Hindi ko alam pero parang sa kanya yan.
We have no choice but to leave.
Wala kaming nagawa kundi umalis.
You're right but you shouldn't interfere.
Tama ka pero hindi ka dapat nakialam.
Yes, you're right, but I feel something wrong.
Oo, tama ka. Pero parang may mali.
I'm sorry but I don't agree with your opinion.
Paumanhin, subalit hindi ako sang-ayon sa opinyon mo.
But why?
Pero bakit?
But I don't have money.
Pero wala akong pera.
Thank you but I can't stay long.
Salamat pero di ako pwedeng magtagal.
I texted you but you did not reply.
Tinext kita pero di ka nag-reply.
I called you but you did not answer.
Tinawagan kita pero di ka sumagot.
I want to go on vacation but I don't have money.
Gusto kong magbakasyon pero wala akong pera.